Old Alabama Gardener here. In this video, I'm doing an experiment to see if I can improve the taste of my tomatoes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a taste test on 2 tomatoes. One row received a special treatment, which I'll describe, and the other row did not receive the special treatment. So let's do a taste test first, then we'll talk about what I did. So first I'm going to taste the tomato without what I'm calling a special treatment. It's a pretty good tasting tomato. Now let's try the other one. Yeah, sweeter, better, more tomatoey taste. If I'm going to make a choice of the two, I'm going to take this one. Yeah, better tomato. I'm going to give this supplemental feeding only to that row on the right. The left side is not going to get the supplemental feeding. Later in this video, I will show you what the condition of both rows of tomatoes are as of 2 August. Because I wanted to get this supplemental feeding mixture directly to the roots of the tomato plant. So here you see me giving each tomato plant 1/2 gallon of this liquid tomato supplement feeding mixture. And on average, these tomatoes that come off of the row over there, the right row, the row that's been treated, on average they're larger tomatoes. Alright, so here's the recipe of what I mixed up, and I've already showed you how I applied it, so you can do it too.